What are we saying here? D or C? Afshin, you're saying D. Ramos, you're saying D. Good. Some people are saying 60. So don't confuse. When people hear dual carriageway, they sometimes think, oh, it must be less than the motorway, because most people know that the motorway is 70 miles an hour. But then when they hear dual carriageway, they think, oh, it's going to be a bit less. The motorway and the dual carriageway have got the same speed limit when it's national speed. Yeah, remember that. They've got the same speed when it's national speed, yeah?